Okay, so today I will be talking about the two essential neurotransmitters in Alzheimer's disease, which are acetylcholine and glutamate. So, acetylcholine is responsible for learning, your mood, and memory. And while glutamate, the second essential neurotransmitter, is responsible for cell signaling, learning, and memory as well. Now, these two play an important part in the brain process. Again, it's learning, it's memory. Cells talk to each other to do a certain thing, but all this is disturbed during Alzheimer's disease. And again, the main symptom that everyone first initially sees is memory loss, which again can be a loss of a Sharpie, a pen, their keys, and it can be something so simple as that, where they just placed it, sat it down, walked away for a moment, and then they forgot. And their relatives will see that as just memory loss from aging. And for glutamate, the cell signaling, that is disturbed by the plaque buildup and tau, which is basically excess protein in the that make up the microtubules that send signals from cell to cell. But the plaque and tau work together to destroy the microtubule, which eventually kills the cells. And a lot of stuff in our body can grow back and connect back together, like a paper cut. Our skin, it will heal, but cells, they will not grow back. And again, that is bad due to the fact that the main growth and start of with plaque and tau, where they start connecting and helping each other to destroy cells, is in the hypothalamus. And again, which is responsible for memory, learning, doing daily everything. And when stuff starts, or cells starts being destroyed from there, it will have an effect on the person's life. The individual with the disease will start realizing that doing daily tasks will be harder and harder every day. And it can be something just as, washing dishes, or folding clothes, forgetting where they should put their underwear or their socks, or even how to put on a shirt sometimes. And most individuals see the beginning phases of Alzheimer's disease as just old aging, until it starts getting more progressive and worse. And then they start realizing this is something more than just aging. Again, the hypothalamus, it's the area of the cortex that is essential for memory. Experiences severe shrinking, and ventricles and fluid-filled spaces within the brain grow larger, because again, everything else from the brain's kind of shrinking due to the fact of basically the brain is slowly being eaten away. Again, it causes the individual with Alzheimer's can't grasp new learning techniques. That's why, again, they slowly start losing memory, what they've learned. Just again, simple stuff like going to the bathroom, cleaning themselves after they use the bathroom. And that can affect them in a harmful way, like in their thought process, because again, in the moment they'll forget, but a little after they'll realize what they had done and had forgotten, and they won't like the idea of getting into that process of Alzheimer's. But yeah, all this can affect the brain. It eats the cells, plaque grows, too much tau protein messes with the microtubules, and it's supposed to be in a straight line to said food and nutrients from cell to cell, but it ends up slowly gets disorientated and just mixed together, and the plaque makes it worse. So again, that's why the cells die, which eventually lead to memory loss, loss of learning. The mood is uncontrollable. But yeah, that is the end of the discussion on Alzheimer's disease. Thank you.